Hi guys, it's Jodie from Homepeel, Australia's favourite cosmeceutical grade natural skincare brand. And today I'm going to talk about our 2 morning packs. You probably heard of our nighttime pack, the dip your toe in the water starter kit. It's going nuts, it's changing lives. Well, a lot of people are asking me what we do in the daytime. So we have these 2 morning packs. We have Good Morning Sunshine and we have Good Morning Pigmentation. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the Good Morning Sunshine pack. Okay, so this consists of 3 serums. The Brightening B3 serum, which heroes niacinamide, which is fantastic for brightening, scientifically proven to help with pigmentation, but it also is wonderful with oil control. So it's wonderful for balancing your pores and oil production. So it's wonderful for the kids too if they're suffering from acne and pimples and stuff like that. I always recommend this product. Okay, and then we have our vitamin C product here, which is an incredible blend, which includes 10% vitamin C, also uses Kakadu Plum. It's native, it's stunning, everybody loves it. And then we finish off our serums with the moisturising peptide cream. Now, serums on their own aren't really very moisturising. That's why you must always finish it off with a peptide, or sorry, with a moisturiser. Okay, these are more like correctors. Serums are generally correctors. So I'm just going to pop them on right now to show you how I apply, which is pretty simple. So this is our B3 Brightening serum. So I'm just popping it on now. So you do, it doesn't matter which order, and you just layer it. So what you'll find is a lot of hyaluronic in this product. So it just dries and moisturizes into the skin. If you don't know, hyaluronic acid is like water for the skin. It goes in, it disappears, it does its magic. It doesn't sit on top of the skin like a moisturizer, moisturizing the skin. Okay, so the second I'm going to apply is our vitamin C. Vitamin C is a fantastic antioxidant, as I'm sure everybody watching this already knows. It's extremely brightening. Antioxidants basically fight free radicals. So these crazy radicals go around destroying our cellular structure and causing us to age. So it damages the skin's integrity. So you really need to be having as many antioxidants in your diet as well as in your skincare as you can. Okay, so vitamin C is classically known as one of the greats. And then we finish it off with this fantastic moisturizing peptide cream, which has wonderful rice peptides in it. It has Co-Enzyme Q10. It has the molecular structure of the peptides too, by the way, are exactly where they need to be in order to get into the skin. So see how I've just done a layer of each, and that's me ready for the day. Okay, so the other daytime pack that we have is the Good Morning Pigmentation pack. The difference between the two, of course, is the serums. So it has the pigmentation serum, which is absolutely a game changer for pigmentation. Not only does it have incredible skin lightening ingredients like white willow bark, and it has white mulberry, jackfruit, but it also has melanin inhibitors in it, which basically means that not only is it working to lighten in the moment, which it works beautifully, and you can just have a look on our website, you'll see lots of before and afters, but it also works for the future. So it stops new melanin from being formed. So it's got melanin inhibitors in it, so it stops future melanin. Okay, so it's like a little insurance policy. Okay, and then we have our collagen serum as well. So this collagen serum has incredible seaweed collagen, which is breaking the internet right now. It's just so powerful, but it also has a 5% vitamin C in it too. So our vitamin C serum is at 10, the collagen serum's at 5. So basically, how do you choose between the two? Oh, and then of course it also comes with the moisturizing peptide cream. So they're exactly the same, 2 serums and a cream. You just decide which one that you want. How do you choose? Okay, 9 times out of 10, our customers actually flip from one to the other because everybody tends to need vitamin C as well as pigmentation correctors. So they do go from one to the other. If pigmentation is your main concern, go for that one first, or stay on that one if it's your main concern, because both have vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is really important. If pimples and acne and problems with your pores is more of a concern, and go for the Good Morning Sunshine Pack. Okay, so Good Morning Pigmentation for those who want to tackle pigmentation as their main concern, or Good Morning Sunshine if pigmentation isn't much of an issue and you'd prefer to have a higher power vitamin C. But like I said, most people will swap between the two. But we have our skincare coaches here ready at Homepeel to answer any of your questions. I'm Jodie Baker, I'm from Homepeel, I'm 50, I do all my videos without any makeup on, and please come and check us out at homepeel.com.au. Have a great day.